Do you want to mark a message as unread on Messenger? You can make messages unread on Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mark a message as unread on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, go to the Chats tab to see your conversations. Now, scroll and find the chat you want to mark as unread. If you are using Android, tap and hold the conversation. If you are using an iPhone, swipe left on the conversation. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the options that appear, select Mark as Unread. Once you do this, the chat will be highlighted, reminding you to check it later.